Welcome back. Hope you watched previous videos on related to management on roles and skills of manager. This video provides a detailed exploration of the core functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, leading or directing, and controlling. These functions are universal across cultures and organizations, guiding them towards their objectives. While the scope of each function may vary depending on the company, their fundamental principles remain consistent. We will delve into each function, providing real-world examples to illustrate their practical application. Planning is the first function of management. Planning involves defining an organization's goals, establishing strategies to achieve those goals, and developing comprehensive plans to coordinate activities. It's a proactive process that anticipates future challenges and opportunities. A crucial aspect of planning is forecasting, which involves predicting future trends and conditions to inform decision-making. Forecasting is the process of making predictions based on past and present data and trends. It helps organizations anticipate future conditions and make informed decisions. Real-world examples of planning. All of you want to know that Apple company and Apple's product roadmap. Apple meticulously plans its product roadmap years in advance. This involves forecasting market trends, technological advancements, and consumer preferences. For example, Apple's decision to invest heavily in wearable technology, leading to the development of the Apple Watch, was based on forecasts indicating a growing demand for such devices. They planned the features, design, and marketing strategies well in advance of the product's launch. Similarly, Amazon's company expansion strategy. Amazon's aggressive expansion into new markets and industries is driven by strategic planning. They forecast future growth areas, such as cloud computing, AWS, and artificial intelligence, and develop detailed plans to establish a dominant position. For this, planning includes investing in infrastructure, acquiring companies, and developing innovative products and services. What will be a small business's marketing plan? Even small businesses rely on planning. If a local restaurant might develop a marketing plan that includes forecasting seasonal demand, identifying target customers, and outlining promotional activities to attract more business during specific periods. This could involve planning special menus for holidays or running targeted advertising campaigns. Next, second function of management is organizing. Organizing is the function of management that involves determining what tasks need to be done, who will do them, how the tasks will be grouped, who reports to whom, and where decisions will be made. It focuses on creating a structure that facilitates the efficient and effective use of resources. Optimum utilization of resources like man, material, money, and machines is a key objective of organizing. Real-world examples of organizing. First example of organizing on General Electric's, GE, restructuring. GE, a large company, has changed and reorganized many of its departments to work more efficiently and focus on its main businesses. This included simplifying operations and using resources like people, materials, money, and machines in a better way to improve profits and stay competitive. Next example of organizing is on Toyota's production system. Toyota's renowned production system is a prime example of effective organizing. They have meticulously organized their manufacturing processes to minimize waste, optimize inventory levels, and ensure the smooth flow of materials and information. This includes organizing the workforce into teams, empowering them to make decisions, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Organizing function of management is also used in a hospital's departmental structure. A hospital organizes its resources by creating specialized departments such as cardiology, oncology, and surgery. Each department has its own staff, equipment, and procedures, all coordinated to provide specific medical services. The organizational structure ensures that patients receive the right care at the right time, with efficient use of medical resources. Next, third function of management is staffing. Staffing is the management function that deals with manpower, including recruitment, selecting, training, compensation, salary, bonus, benefits, and ensuring the right people are allocated or appointed in the right place. It's about building a competent and motivated workforce that can achieve the organization's goals. Real-world examples of staffing. Google's recruitment process. Google is known for its rigorous recruitment process, which aims to identify and attract top talent. They invest heavily in employee training and development programs to ensure their staff has the skills and knowledge to excel. Google also offers competitive compensation and benefits packages to attract and retain employees. Next example of a retail chain's training program. A retail chain invests in training programs for its employees to ensure they provide excellent customer service and have a thorough understanding of the products they sell. This includes training on product knowledge, sales techniques, and customer service skills. The training program helps the retail chain maintain consistent service standards across all its locations. Fourth function of management: leading or directing. Leading, also known as directing, a leader in management guides, motivates, and inspires the team to work together toward achieving organizational goals. A good leader possesses vision, integrity, honesty, and strong administrative skills. Effective leadership inspires employees to perform at their best and contribute to the organization's success. Let's see some real-world examples of leading or directing. Steve Jobs' leadership at Apple. Steve Jobs was a visionary leader who inspired his employees to create innovative products. He set high standards, provided clear direction, and fostered a culture of creativity and excellence. His leadership was instrumental in Apple's success. Next example of leader of a project manager's role. A project manager leads a team of individuals to complete a specific project. They provide guidance, motivation, and support to ensure the project is completed on time and within budget. They also resolve conflicts, manage risks, and communicate progress to stakeholders.
Controlling is the last function of management. Controlling involves monitoring performance, comparing it with established goals, and correcting any significant deviations. It's about ensuring that the organization is on track to achieve its objectives. The process typically involves setting standards, measuring performance, comparing performance to standards, and taking corrective action. Real-world examples of controlling. Next example of controlling in manufacturing company related to manufacturing quality control. A manufacturing company implements quality control measures to ensure its products meet certain standards. This controlling function involves inspecting products at various stages of production, comparing them to predefined quality standards, and taking corrective action if defects are found. Financial budgeting and variance analysis. A company creates a budget that outlines its expected revenues and expenses. Throughout the year, actual financial performance is compared to the budget, and any significant variances are investigated. Corrective action is taken to address any issues that are causing the company to deviate from its financial goals. In conclusion of this video on functions of management ensures success by planning goals, organizing resources, staffing the right people, directing the team, and controlling performance to achieve desired results efficiently. Thank you for watching this video. Watch more videos related to this topic management. For this, please subscribe, like and share this channel.